How to reactivate subscription in DataCamp. Are you guys facing issues to reactivate your subscription in DataCamp website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To reactivate your subscription in DataCamp, first of all open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Now search for DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the DataCamp website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll be able to view your profile icon. Just simply tap on it and select Account Settings. After you click on Account Settings, look at the left side of your screen where you'll be able to see this option Subscription. Just simply tap on it. If your subscription was previously cancelled, you see an option to reactivate subscription. Tap on it and choose your desired plan. Confirm your payment details and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reactivation process. Once done, your subscription will be immediately active and you will regain access to your all courses and features. DataCamp will also send a confirmation email verifying that your subscription has been successfully reactivated. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to reactivate subscription in DataCamp. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.